पूना के महाराष्ट्र क्रिकेट स्टेडियम से आप सभी का स्वागत है। आईडीएफसी फर्स्ट बैंक सैयद मुश्ताक अली 2025-2026 सुपर लीग का हैदराबाद वर्सेस हरियाणा।
Ankit, please give it a spin.
Tails.
Tails is the call.
Tails is the
What would you like to do?
We'll bowl first.
मोहम्मद सिराज पहला गेंद लेकर।
Whoa, go over point. That's what pace does to you.
बल्ला घुमाया, संपर्क हुआ और बाउंड्री मिली।
Oh, that's a cracking hit. That'll one bounce over mid-on. Just a little bit fuller. Massive, massive. Yeah, over the square leg fielder. A hit away from 400 runs. 400 runs it is for the season.
And that's hoisted way into the stands. And Ankit going over the top and making good contact too. And this time, just stand and deliver way into the stands. Making some room, and he's got enough on it. जैसे ये उड़ान देखिए, क्या बात! Going over the infield, and he's got the distance too. They make it look easy. This is ridiculous. Going for a big hit. A fielder will get underneath it, and he will take it. In fact, it's the keeper who's done that. A first success for Hyderabad that comes in the form of Ranga's wicket.
what he preaches. Wonderful batter. Yeah, with that hit over mid-off, he'll get to his half century with gusto there. Excellent batter in all the formats. Skipper of Haryana in top form.
क्रॉस द लाइन खेलने की कोशिश, ज्यादा तारीफ कर दी हमने अंकित कुमार की।
To see the back of this guy, Ankit Kumar, out for 57. It's 94 for 2. Yeah, has he got enough on that? No, mid-off interested. Mid-off takes it. He's easily able to take that miss hit from Nishant. And bad news continuing here for Haryana.
रन आएंगे यहाँ पर बाउंड्री के रूप में। अच्छा मुझे क्या लगा कि जिस जगह पर हैदराबाद के गेंदबाजों ने गेंदबाजी की है, हालांकि रन जरूर पड़े।
Long levers coming in place there. Just picking the length and pumping it deep into the stand. Yeah, this time the range. Has he got enough on that? He's got the height, not the distance. A tough one there for deep mid wicket, but nicely snapped up. Yeah, bad news really continuing. The 4th wicket down now.
स्वच्छ के रूप में 22 उन्होंने बनाई, 124 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
But still the Haryana batters are not letting go. They're relentless. That's smashed away, but he finds the fielder. Unfortunately, Mikkel kept busy.
Yashwardhan Dalal out 11 पर 135 पर 5.
East away, behind fine on the onside. Tane starting his 3rd over, smashed away into the onside. This time going over the top and gets enough to send it soaring into the stands. Another 6 here. Once again going over the top and once again clearing as well. It's such hard work for the bowlers on this track. Once again, this is longer. And the sixes galore here in the meanwhile at the MCA Stadium in Pune. But that doesn't make any difference. He's also changed the angle. From long off, he's gone over cover. It's terrific stuff this from Samant. Deft touch.
Whoa, misfield. It will go all the way as well. This is a chance. This is a chance. But it's gone over mid-wicket. Little bit on the side. It will go for 6 easily. Mikil, the fielder. Oh, cracking hit! That is absolutely smoked out. And he reaches a belligerent 50. 54 of 20.
Atish Pari.
Whoa! Gone! Massive!
शांत रहिए, होने दीजिए जो है, और फिलहाल विकेट ले लिया उन्होंने, मगर आप इस वेल डन सिराज ने शाबाशी दी उनको.
This has been the, yeah, just going for the big swing, little bit of extra bounce, the bottom edge onto the keeper. Yeah, you can't blame anybody here. It's all, and look at that, that's awesome to watch. Someone goes for 60s, 216 for 6. This is also definitely gone for boundary. Yeah, a couple of bounces, not the connection he was looking for, but with the mid-wicket fielder inside the circle.
फुल टॉस, बल्ला घुमाए, तेज गेंद जाएगी पॉइंट के ऊपर से. What a shot!
6. Oh, 6 again. Another one. Another full toss is completely losing the plot over here. Is Goud. This time he's gone. Just straightened, but he's done the job. I mean, this is 45 of 19.
19 गेंदों में 237 का स्ट्राइक रेट, 240 के साथ हरियाणा. एक गेंद अभी भी आनी बाकी है. हवा में खेला गया शॉट, फील्डर नीचे, क्या दूरी पाई है? जी हां, दूरी पाई है. What a hit, what a finish, 246 पे 7.
What a finish. 25 runs. Wow.
Haryana have set a target of 247 for Hyderabad, and they need to get them in 20 overs. The required run rate will be 12.35. Aman Rao, a very enterprising batter, attractive batter too. Tanmay Agarwal, who's 30 years of age, who's got a couple of 70s.
रन जाएंगे यहां पर.
Beautifully bowled, big appeal, and the umpire agrees. The first wicket gone for Hyderabad. Bharadwaj striking.
और इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट तन्मय अग्रवाल. 3 रन उन्होंने बनाए, 12 एक विकेट के नुकसान पर हैदराबाद.
Doesn't matter. He's got enough on it. He'll go one bounce into the boundary. Going over the top, that was the effort, but it's not succeeded. The attempt is taken. That's the end of Aman Rao. Kamboj gets his man this time around.
शॉट. रन जाएंगे यहां पर 4.
Nicely played. Will that go all the way?
On the rise, up he goes, over long off. Yes, it's going to be, I think it's a 6. It is a 6, and the बढ़िया शॉट बना के मारा गया शॉट. Hits it uppishly. Midon will run back. How many runs is the question? Is it another 6? Oh, picks it up from the stumps, and that's a brave shot. You need such bravery. Yes, he does. Appeal. Umpire in picture. Finger. Wicket number 3, and the one Haryana wanted badly. They have taken care of this partnership of 42, but he has reviewed it.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting, and the original decision is out. I'm going back on field to Swaroop. Swaroop, please stay with the original decision of out. You're on screen now.
Cuts it well. It's going to be a long chase for the one-edge sweeper, but he'll only go and pick it and get it back to the bowler. Beautifully struck. Wicket! Well bowled, quickish delivery. He tries to cut it, Mikhail, but perishes. Very well taken catch.
Oh, that's a gorgeous looking shot. That is a stunning cover drive.
थोड़ा धैर्य रखिए, खराब गेंदबाजी, दूसरी बाउंड्री आएगी ये. बैक टू बैक 2 बाउंड्रीज.
3 for 7. What a ball! Was it the off spin or was that the medium pace?
5वें विकेट का पतन राहुल बुद्धी के रूप में. 37 रन बनाए.
First ball, chance is it? No, not quite. Wow.
सोचा एक और शॉट, फील्डर वहां मौजूद. एक और विकेट हरियाणा के खाते में और अमित के खाते में. वेल बोल्ड. बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी.
It's not that easy. He's gone for 6, Zarfraz. 99 for 6.
Rahul Buddhi was the batter. Another one here for Haryana.
और जब आप सोचते हैं आप कुछ कर सकते हैं तो आप कुछ कर सकते हैं. 16 बनाए.
Looking to access the caps on the offside, and that's terrific effort. That a direct hit seals the fate for Yadav. He was charging down the
bases are
track.
completely
He was
off. Please
sent
freeze
back
it
by
here.
Gaur
Yes, and
on
the
a
batter is
direct
yet
hit.
to make good his ground.
Found the target.
I have a decision for you on the big screen.
End of Yadav for naught, and Hyderabad 103 for 8 at the end of 13. Over the top, and he'll get the distance to Ajay Gaur.
ये विकेट नंबर 9 होगा कि नहीं. विकेट कीपर दौड़ के गए, संपूर्ण भी कर लिया कैच. अंत भला सो सब भला. गेंद भी छलकता है और चोट लगने के भी चांसेस होते हैं. 8 बनाए गॉड ने. 118 पे 9 हैदराबाद.
Oh, Ghana. It's all over. Look at Amarjit KP. He's not a man of a lot of emotion, but he knows from where they came back. They had to get the runs, which they did. Then they had to keep them Hyderabad down to less than 195. 122 is all they got. What a Yorker this is. What a performance by Haryana. And Hyderabad 122 sort of crumbling would be probably the right word under the